The first time that you access Google Classroom, you'll need to click Continue and then choose that you are a teacher. This is the only thing that will allow you to create a class. Once you've selected I am a teacher, you'll have to wait to be verified as a teacher before creating. Until you're verified, when you click on the plus sign, you'll only have the option to join a class. Once verified, teachers can click on the plus sign and then create class. Within the classroom name and section, we advise including your name, the year, the subject you teach, and period if applicable. Subject and room do not show up on the class card, so these are optional. Check with your school's LSTC for local naming conventions. The banner across the top of Classroom can be changed by clicking on Select Theme, looking through the gallery, and choosing an image that works for your class. Teachers can also upload a photo that they choose themselves. The teacher view of Google Classroom has 4 tabs across the top. Stream is meant for announcements. Classwork is where assignments will be housed. People holds the list of teachers as well as the list of students in a classroom. The Grades tab is where teachers will see grades that they have assigned to students for assignments in Classroom. From the People tab, both co-teachers in Classroom and students can be invited. Notice that accounts for adults do not have numbers, but accounts for students do have 4 digits at the end of the account. Make sure not to invite students to be co-teachers. People are not automatically added when they're invited, so you will see invited next to their names until they accept the invitation. Rather than inviting each individual student, teachers can simply give students the class code to join. Students then would click on the plus sign and type in or paste in the class code that teachers gave them. If you later want to change or disable the class code, simply go into the settings in your classroom. Next to class code, you can reset or disable the class code. There are some other important settings within that settings gear. For Stream, you can determine whether students can post and comment, can only comment, or if only teachers can post and comment. The default is that students can post and comment. Some decide that they only want students to be able to reply to their comments. Others hide it altogether. Also, for classwork on the Stream, the default is to show condensed notifications. But in order to clean up Stream and save it for announcements, we recommend changing that to hide notifications. That ensures that on Stream, students will not be overwhelmed or confused with all of their classwork. In announcements, teachers can create messages for their students. They can also add files from Google Drive or their computer, along with links and YouTube videos. Announcements can be posted to multiple classes at once, or to specific students within one class. Announcements can be saved as drafts, scheduled for later, or posted as you create them. From the menu in the top left corner, you can return to your Google Classroom home screen to see all classes. You can also access Calendar, where you'll see all of your Google Classroom calendars overlaid. In addition, you'll see the to-do list, referencing assignments that are due soon. In addition, you can switch to any of your other classes. You can also access archived classes at the bottom. And under Settings, you're able to adjust your notification settings for Classroom. We recommend that you not turn off all notifications. Rather, scroll through the different settings. At the bottom of the page, you can actually set notifications by individual class. With the Classroom app on a mobile device, you can also adjust your push notifications.